Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Tonight, we are making one of my favorite salsas, Salsa Verde. It ain't just a regular salsa, it's a verde. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. So the key ingredient behind a good salsa verde, or any salsa verde for that matter, is the tomatillo. They look like little green tomatoes in a husk. So what you're gonna do is remove the husk. It's gonna have a little sticky substance on it. You wanna rinse that off. Give it a good rinse, and then we're gonna dice it. You need 10. In addition to your tomatillos, you're gonna need 3 cloves of garlic and 1 jalapeno. Alright, now we're gonna put our saucepan over a low heat. Throw in our olive oil. Now that our oil is heated up a bit, we're gonna add in our jalapeno and our garlic. And we're gonna saute this until it's fragrant for about 3 minutes. I'm starting to smell those distinct properties of spice and deliciousness. That is garlic. So, we're gonna add in our tomatillos and our salt. And we're gonna saute this until the tomatillos start releasing their juices for about 5 minutes. You want these to get a little softened. Oh, tomatillo just went into the oven. Starting to see some moisture down there. So we're gonna add our vegetable broth, 1.5 cups. Now we're gonna bring this to a slow boil, and then once we do that, we're gonna cook it for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Fun fact, tomatillos are fruits, and they are aptly named because they are in the same family as the tomato. The tomatillo has a unique antioxidant phytochemical that has been directly linked to being anti-cancer and antibacterial. Anti all around, which is a good thing. And it boosts your immune system, and it's great for those wanting to lose weight, as it's high in fiber and low in fat. This has been lightly boiling for a good 20 minutes, so we're gonna turn the heat off, remove it from the heat, and we're gonna start chopping our cilantro. Now, you don't wanna get too choppy. You just need a cup of loosely packed cilantro. And we're gonna get a lime because once the salsa verde stops steaming, we're gonna add the cilantro and the lime. I think we finally stopped steaming, so now we're gonna blend it till it's relatively smooth, but not before we add our cilantro, 1 cup, and our lime. And we're gonna blend this for about 30 seconds till it's relatively smooth. You wanna make sure that the top of your blender is turned in the right direction. Let's try it. I have high hopes for this. First of all, it's still a little warm. I prefer my salsa verde chilled. This is good. I'm a fan. It's tangy. It's the perfect salsa verde. Just how it should be. I can't wait to see what it tastes like tomorrow after it's been in the fridge. It's gonna be better for sure. Flavors are great. Not a terribly hard recipe to make. If you like salsa verde, you will love this. It doesn't need anything else except for maybe to be chilled for a little bit. Anyway, I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And make sure to subscribe and comment and share and all that good stuff. And also make sure to check out all of our other recipes that are very Mexican inspired, like our guacamole, Mexican millet, black beans, and chipotle adobo sauce. I will see you all next time. All you blah, blah. And we're gonna saute this until it's fragrant. Fragrant.